Hello everyone, I am Teacher Dana, your English teacher from Consideras at School. Today, we are going to learn about the food here is great. What are we going to learn again today? The food here is great. Very good. Now, we are going to learn about first. We are going to learn about restaurant vocabularies on page 8. Second, we're also going to learn about present simple and present continuous on page 9. Third, we're going to learn about time markers on page 10. Fourth, we are also going to learn about long A and long E sounds on page 11. Next, we're also going to learn about naming pictures through games. And last but not the least, we are going to answer your class book and your yellow book. But wait, there's more! We are going to sing a song first. Remember that all voices are welcome. I want you to sing along with the music. Ready? Excuse me, where is the restaurant? Where is the restaurant? Go straight and turn right. Go straight and turn right. It's on your left. It's on your left. Thank you very much. Excuse me, where is the restaurant? Where is the restaurant? Go straight and turn right. Go straight and turn right. It's on your left. It's on your left. Thank you very much. Very good. Let's sing it one more time, okay? One more time. I want everybody to sing with actions, okay? Excuse me, where is the restaurant? Where is the restaurant? Go straight and turn right. Go straight and turn right. It's on your left. It's on your left. Thank you very much. Excuse me, where is the restaurant? Where is the restaurant? Go straight and turn right. Go straight and turn right. It's on your left. It's on your left. Thank you very much. Very good. Now, we're going to learn today about what is a restaurant. Now, what do you think is a restaurant? A restaurant is a place where people pay to sit and eat meals that are cooked and served. Again, let's read all together. A restaurant is a place where people pay to sit and eat meals that are cooked and served. So when you go to a restaurant, you don't need to cook food. You just need to sit and pay and order your meals. It's very, very easy. Okay, next. We are going to learn new vocabulary words. Now, what are those? First, we have this picture. What do you think is that picture? That is a picture of what? That is a picture of a waiter. Very good. Now, what is a waiter? Let's read all together. A waiter is the man who serves you food. Again, a waiter is the man who serves you food. Next, what is this picture? It is a picture of, what do you think? It is a picture of a waitress. Now, what is a waitress? What do you think is a waitress? A waitress is the woman who serves you food. Again, let's read all together. A waitress is a woman who serves you food. Next, what do you think is that? That is a picture of uniform. Very good. Now, what is a uniform? A uniform is a suit for chefs, waiter, waitresses. Okay? A uniform is a suit for chefs or waiter or waitresses. So these are the uniform that the chefs, the waiter, and the waitresses wears. Very good. Next, what picture is this? What do you think is that picture? That is called a menu. Everybody repeat after me. Menu. What is a menu? A menu is a food list with prices where you can choose your meal. For example, as you can see in the picture, we have here mixed fruit, that is $2.5. French fries, that is just $2.75. So a menu is a food list where there are foods and there are prices where you can choose your meal. Okay, next picture. What picture is this? That is a picture of a customer. Now, what is a customer? A customer is the person who orders or eats at your restaurant or at the restaurant. Again, a customer is the person who orders or eats at your restaurant. So if you are going to eat at the restaurant, therefore you are called a customer. Next picture. What picture is this? That is a picture of a bottle of water. Again, repeat after me. Bottle of water. Now, what is a bottle of water? A bottle of water is a water that is in a plastic container. Sometimes it's also in a glass container, but more often it is in a plastic container. Now let's read all together. A bottle of water is a water that is in a plastic container. Next, what picture is this? This is a picture of cup of coffee. Very good. Now, what is a cup of coffee? A cup of coffee is a coffee that is put in a cup. Again, cup of coffee is a coffee that is put in a cup. Sometimes you put it in a mug. Sometimes you put it in a small cup. Okay, next. What picture is this? That is, you usually drink that every morning or before you go to bed. That is a glass of milk. Now, what is a glass of milk? A glass of milk is a milk that is put in a glass. That is very easy. When your milk is on the box, you put it in the glass and then you drink it. Again, a glass of milk is a milk that is in a glass. Next picture. What do you think is this? What is that? That is bowl of soup. Everybody repeat after me. Bowl of soup. Now, what is a bowl of soup? A bowl of soup is a food mixed with vegetables and meat, and it is usually served hot. Again, a bowl of soup is a food mixed with vegetables and meat that is usually served hot. Okay, next. What picture is this? That is a picture of a plate of salad. Now, what is a plate of salad? A plate of salad is a plate usually filled with vegetables, and usually it is with a dressing. Again, plate of salad is a plate usually filled with vegetables, and it is usually with a beautiful dressing. It's a very, very healthy food. Okay, next. Open your books on page 9. Again, I want you to open your book on page 9. We are going to learn about present simple and present continuous. Again, repeat after me. Present simple and present continuous. Now, what is a present simple and present continuous sentences or tenses? Note, use the present simple for the things that you do many times or all the time or every day. Again, use the present simple for the things that you do many times, all the time, or every day. How about present continuous? You use present continuous for the things that you are doing at the time of speaking or at the moment of speaking. Again, use the present continuous for the things that you are doing at the time of speaking or right now. Next. We have here different kinds of examples for present simple and present continuous. You know that it is a present simple when the verb has S or ES. For example, number 1, work becomes works in the present simple. How about in the present continuous? For in the present continuous, that would become is working or are working. Next, number 2. Go, that becomes goes in the present simple. How about if it is already in the present continuous? Go becomes is going or are going. Next, number 3. Study, studies. For number 3, if that becomes a present continuous, that becomes is studying or are studying. Now, let's read all together. Works, is or are working. Goes, is or are going. Studies, is or are studying. Now, open your book on page 9 and let's answer. I want you to look at the picture on your book and let's answer number 1. Let's read all together. She's drinking, drinks a glass of water now. Again, she's drinking, drinks a glass of water now. What is the correct word or the correct tense? Is it drink, drinking, or drinks? What is your answer? Drinking. Very good. Because though there is a word there, now, that means that is a present continuous. Next, number 2. The family or sitting, sits by the door today. Again, the family or sitting, sits by the door today. What do you think is the correct word? The correct word there is sitting. Very good. Next. They usually sitting, sits by the door. Again, they usually sitting, sits by the door. What do you think is the answer? The answer there is sit. Very good. They usually sit by the window. Next, number 4. He never having has soup for dinner. Again, he never having has soup for dinner. What do you think is the answer? What do you think is the answer? The answer there is has, because he is only one and that is singular, so therefore we need to use singular, which is has. Next, number 5. She's having has soup at the moment. Again, she's having has soup at the moment. What is your answer? The answer there is having. Okay, she's having a soup at the moment. You do not say hasing, even though if it's only one, you say having. Okay, let's read all together from 1 to 5. She's drinking a glass of water now. Number 2, the family are sitting by the door today. Number 3, they usually sit by the window. Number 4, he never has soup for dinner. Number 5, She's having a soup at the moment. Very good. Next. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Everybody repeat after me. Has, playing, having, play, shares, and have. Again, has, playing, having, play, shares, and have. Now, everybody, let's read all together. At break time, I usually play with Beth and Alex. Alex isn't at school today, so I'm blank with Beth. We're blank fun today. At lunchtime, I always blank a sandwich and an apple. But there weren't any apples. So today, I'm blank a banana. Alex usually blank salad and biscuits. Sometimes she blank her biscuits with us. She's a kind girl. Now let's try to answer from 1 to 5. Let's choose the word has, playing, having, play, shares, and have. Number 1. At break time, I usually has with Beth and Alex, playing with Beth and Alex, or play with Beth and Alex. What is your answer? Play. Very good. Next, number 2. Alex isn't at school today, so I'm has with Beth. I'm playing with Beth. I'm having with Beth. What is your answer? Your answer there is playing with Beth. Very good. Next. We're blank fun today. What do you think? We're has fun today. We're playing fun today. Or we're having fun today. What is your answer? We're having fun today. Very good. At lunchtime, I always blank a sandwich and an apple. What is your answer? I always have sandwich and an apple. But there weren't any apples. So today, I'm a blank banana. I'm what? I'm having a banana. Very good. Alex usually blank salad and biscuits. Alex usually has salad and biscuits. Sometimes she blank her biscuits with us. She's a kind girl. Sometimes she shares her biscuits with us. Very good. Now, next. I want you to open your books on page 10. Please open your book and turn it to page 10. Now, we're going to learn about time markers. Present simple and present continuous. Always meaning you do it every day. Usually meaning you do it like 3 to 4 times a week. Sometimes you just do it like 2 or 3 times a week. Rarely you just do it once or 2 times a week. Or never you do not do it by yourself, or you really do not do it, or you haven't done it yet. Now we have there now, right now, at the moment, today, last week, last Monday, next week, this year, tomorrow, tonight. Those are called time markers. Now, let's sing another song, and take note that I want all of you to sing because all voices are welcome. I want you to open your books and open it on page 10. Okay, let's sing the song.
Listening 6.
My friend's
Listen
house.
and sing. At my friend's house.
I'm at my friend's house to eat and play, but the food isn't what I eat each day. I rarely eat carrots, but I'm eating them right now. I didn't know I liked them, but I really love them now. I usually drink water, but I'm drinking juice today. I didn't know I like to have fruits this way. I'm at my friend's house to eat and play, The food is delicious, what a wonderful day. Very good. Now let's sing the song one more.
Listening 6.
Okay,
Listen
everybody
and
read
sing.
and sing.
At my friend's house.
I'm at my friend's house to eat and play, but the food isn't what I eat each day. I rarely eat carrots, but I'm eating them right now. I didn't know I liked them, but I really love them now. I usually drink water, but I'm drinking juice today. I didn't know I like to have fruits this way. I'm at my friend's house to eat and play. The food is delicious, what a wonderful day. Very good. Now, I want you to open your books on page 11. Okay, let's learn long A words and sounds. Everybody repeat after me. Long A. Again, A. Okay, first, what picture is this? We have here train. Everybody repeat after me. Train. Train. Next, we have here, what picture is this? That is tray. Everybody repeat after me. Tray. Tray. Next, what picture is this? This is a picture of cake. Everybody repeat after me. Cake. Cake. Next, we have here long E sounds. Everybody repeat after me. Long E. We have here tree. Everybody repeat after me. Tree. Tree. Next, we have here, what picture is this? Leaves. Everybody repeat after me. Leaves. Leaves. Next picture we have here. What picture is that? You call that key. Everybody repeat after me. Key. Key. Now, open your book on page 11. Circle the word that contains a different vowel sound. Again, circle the word that contains a different vowel sound. Number 1, everybody repeat after me. Train, tray, tree, play. Again, train, tray, tree, play. What is the different word in the choices? What is a different word in the choices? The answer there is tree. Very good, because train, tray, and play, those are long A vowel sound, while tree is a long E vowel sound. How about number 2? Everybody repeat after me. Cake, peace, day, rain. Again, cake, peace, day, rain. What is the word that contains a different vowel sound? The word there is peace. Very good, because cake, day, and rain, those are long A vowel sounds. Next, number 3. Eating, seeing, playing, and dreaming. Again, eating, seeing, playing, dreaming. What is a word that contains a different vowel sound? The answer there is playing. Very good, because eating, seeing, and dreaming, those are long E vowel sound. Next, number 4. Leaves, key, queen, same. Again, leaves, key, queen, same. What is the word that contains a different vowel sound? The word there is same. Very good. Because leaves, key, and queen, those are long E vowel sound, or those words are long E vowel sound. Next, number 5. Feet, tray, space, Spain. Again, feet, tray, space, Spain. What is a word that contains a different vowel sound? What is a word that contains a different vowel sound? The answer there is... What is the answer? The answer there is feet. Very good. Because tray, space, and Spain, those are long A vowel sounds or long A vowel words, while feet is a long E vowel sound. Next, everybody repeat after me. 3, please, snake, turkey. Again, 3, please, snake, turkey. What is the word that contains a different vowel sound? What is the word that contains a different vowel sound? The answer there is snake. Very good. Because 3, please, snake, and turkey, or 3, please, and turkey are long E vowel sounds, while snake is a long A vowel sound. Next, number 7. Everybody repeat after me. Cake, race, sea, lake. Again, case, race, sea, lake. What is a word that contains a different vowel sound? What is a word that contains a different vowel sound? The answer there is sea. Very good. Because cake, race, and lake, those words contains long A vowel sound, while sea contains a long E vowel sound. Next, number 8. Everybody repeat after me. Plain, weak, mean, and see. Again, plain, weak, mean, and see. What word has a different vowel sound? What word contains a different vowel sound? The answer there is plain. Very good. Because weak, mean, and see, those are words that have long E vowel sound, while plain has long A vowel sound. Very good. Now let's play a game. What is this picture? What picture is that? That is a picture of A, waiter, B, waitress. That is a picture of a waiter. Very good. Next, number 2. What is this picture? What picture is that? A, waiter, B, waitress. That is a picture of a waitress. Very good. Next, number 3. What is this picture? What picture is that? That is a picture of A, uniform, B, menu. That is a picture of a uniform. Very good. Next, what is this picture? What picture is that? That is a picture of A, a cup of coffee, B, a bottle of water. What picture is that? That is a picture of a bottle of water. Very good. Now, I want you to get your family and friends yellow book. Don't forget to write the date today and write their activity number 1. Complete the sentence with the present simple of the verbs in the brackets. Number 1. Peter and his friends school by bus. The word there is go. What is the present simple for go? Again, Peter and his friends blank to school by bus. Next, number 2. Elephants blank leaves and grass. Again, elephants blank leaves and grass. The word there is eat. What is the present simple of eat? Next, number 3. Number 3, David's father blank in a hospital. Again, David's father blank in a hospital. The word there is work. What is the present simple for the word work? Next, number 4. The bank opens at 9:30 and blank at 4:30. Again, the bank opens at 9:30 and blank at 4:30. The word there is close. What is the present simple of the word close? Next, number 5. Tom and Jim blank football every day after school. Again, Tom and Jim blank football every day after school. The word there is play. What is the present simple of the word play? Next, number 6. Mr. Jones is a teacher. He blank history. Again, Mr. Jones is a teacher. He blank history. The word there is teach. What is the present simple for the word teach? Next, number 7. Our lessons blank at 9:30 and blank at 3:30. Again, our lessons blank at 9:30 and blank at 3:30. What is the present simple of the words start and finish? Again, what are the present simple of the words start and finish? Next, number 8. My pen friend blank in Japan. Again, my pen friend blank in Japan. The word there is leave. What is the present simple of the word leave? Next, number 9. Mary and her brother blank cartoons every Sunday morning. Again, Mary and her brother blank cartoons every Sunday morning. The word there is watch. What is the present simple for the word watch? Next, number 10. John blank his room every day. John blank his room every day. The word there is tidy. What is the present simple of the word tidy? Very good. Now, next activity, right there, activity number 2. Complete the blanks with the present simple of the verbs in the box. Everybody repeat after me. Go, work, ride, deliver, love, jog, rest, fish, walk. Again, write the present simple of the verbs in the box. Go, work, ride, deliver, love, jog, rest, fish, and walk. Everybody repeat after me. Mr. Letty is a postman. He doesn't work in the post office. He always works outside in the streets. He blank letters to all the people in the neighborhood every day. What is your answer number 1? I'll be giving you 3 minutes to answer number 1. Next, number 2. He doesn't blank, but he blank his motorbike. At the weekend, Mr. Letty doesn't work. He blank. He blank in the country house with his wife. Again, he doesn't work blank, but he blank his motorbike. At the weekend, Mr. Letty doesn't work. He blank. He blank in the country house with his wife. I'll be giving you 5 minutes to answer the question. Next, Mr. and Mrs. Letty blank in the river and they blank in the woods every weekend. What is your answer? I'll be giving you 5 minutes to answer the question. Okay, now for recapping the lesson, we have learned about, first, we have learned about restaurant vocabularies. Those are waiter, waitress, salad, a bottle of water, a glass of milk, restaurant, menu, and many more. We also have learned about present simple and present continuous, works, goes, studies, tidies, or is working or working, is going or working, is studying or studying, and many more. We have also learned about time markers. What are those? Always, never, sometimes, rarely, usually, tomorrow, today, next year, tonight, and many more. Also, we have learned about what? We have learned about long A and long E vowel sounds, which are space, what else? Cake, what else? Leaves, train, tray, key, and many more. We also have learned about naming pictures through games. What is a waiter? What is a waitress? A bottle of water, and many more. And last but not the least, we have answered your class book and your yellow book. Now, for your homework, I want you to read and answer page 12 of your class book. Again, for your homework, I want you to read and answer page 12 of your class book. Okay, our class or lessons ends here. That's it for today, and goodbye everyone. See you again on my next class.